to make it for us.
A lot of Mickey Mouse is going on right here.
Damn, Otis, you got the big boy shit.
What are you talking about? I just went on Offer Up and that was on.
Wait, you guys took this physical?
Yeah, they didn't fit.
It doesn't fit.
Really?
Hell no, bro.
Really?
Hell no. It's like not even close.
It's almost like if I wanted to do glass and I didn't listen to you.
Hey, I was like, we're gonna try. But then and when I saw when I saw it was maxed out down, I was like, no. Because he was pulling on the camera.
I saw his face. He was like, I want to run it. And I'm like, I don't want to walk away.
Well, because I wanted it this height.
No, I'm not saying I was right, but I was like, he wants to figure it out himself. That's fine.
It's a learning opportunity.
You guys are kind of the same in that way. You guys are to the hard route as long as it's
Dude, everyone
So what she's saying is we're all stubborn.
Oh, 100%. Oh, that's.
That's how it works.
You think it must be worse? Like, see how our dads are.
You guys all probably have the same stances as them too.
But I was like, hell
Like
no.
if Seth walked up here,
When the
just
shots was extended, it stopped. It shouldn't be
yours is that, yeah. With your hands behind.
right out of the And this shit's a cheap ass one probably. This is from eBay, homie.
Yeah, I think we got
This
You're
shit mangled.
rusty, dusty, and crusty.
No shit.
And a little sweaty.
I got
You're
trunk.
glistening.
This is man work.
This is truck shit. This is truck shit.
This is truck shit. Yeah, truck fit. That's a little wings company, right? Holy shit.
You're gonna get a hemorrhoid.
Fuck. No, I can't get it with the wrench.
Hemorrhoids.
No, fuck no. That's not even like.
You're like, that ain't even a
way
joke.
harder than that.
That ain't even a joke, bro.
Yeah, I can pull way fucking harder than that thing.
He's like, it's happening. I know my max.
I was leaning back, putting my weight on it. It moved. I just don't have any leverage. I'm hitting the top of the power.
Yeah.
With the wrench. I should have just used this.
You're like kiddo, wreck kiddo.
It don't fit all the way, so you gotta.
Come on, slam and jam this bitch.
Yeah, slamming and jamming.
You did with the
They said you
back.
got 10 minutes to get that shit done.
I need one of these.
He said with the
I know. I was like, dude, I bet you Kenneth doesn't have one of these.
No, we don't know what it is.
It's just fun. Come on, dude.
Until I have another guy.
until you're dead. This happens.
This battery's kind of dead.
Here, do you need one? I got a battery.
Yeah.
So free to take it out or what?
No, it stinks up my car on the inside, so I'll leave it in my trunk so then it's not constantly smelling cat shit
Does it
everywhere.
like fly and drive though?
No.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Well, anything by the back window of the truck won't fly out.
Yeah, I tried to
Only in the tailgate. That's just by the tailgate.
and then all the
They
stuff
fly
that
the fuck out.
falls inside, it gets
Because the
wet.
wind gets in the tailgate turbulence and kicks everything up.
Yeah,
You got like
put
half
gloves on.
your bed. And then after that, it's just all wind. Yeah.
Trust me, I use a lot
Yeah,
of
she just
napkins
got
and all of that
fixed
shit.
up Friday.
She acting all crazy. One day
No,
when I
she's
go to jail
actually,
for
she
dumping
sleeps
shit on the
like in
freeway,
her
you'll know what
face
happened.
now and is all
There's
cuddly.
tons of
She
shit
lets
flying on the
Otis
freeway.
like pick her up and grab her face
there's
and
that.
shit. Like she's
Yo,
never
I
let
pissed off the
me.
guy at freaking
Just for
HBO.
the vlog.
Yeah, for you.
You did what?
I kept missing the wheel when they catch something. They like, HBO,
Finger porn.
back up.
Wait, I see the way you're doing it.
No, it's
Yeah, you were like feeding it out with your fingers.
yeah. So like, as soon as like,
It
I go,
looked like something else.
Yeah, you know.
no, it was like,
I know.
well, let me back up, and then like, I want to put it fast enough. And I was sitting there, and I was like, dude, this is gonna get so much there, you know. So I was like, everybody else I know, but they're just like so chill, like, he's like,
He's probably had a long ass day. What time is it?
Did you not listen this one? Are you supposed to listen to that one too?
We did on the other side, but maybe I figured it out now.
Kenneth, 5 minutes ago.
Oh, look, Kenneth was right.
30, lowers down first, starts working.
Yeah, I got this one out easy, bro. Hey, this one came out easy. Without even unloosening these. It just dropped out.
Oh, I did it. Look at the thumbs bent.
It's easy now, but that sounds like a terrible fix later.
My
Dude, you should literally just fucking power wash those, dude, and just fucking sell them.
$500.
How much are those new?
Just polish
How much are those new?
Nah, they can't be that much. I think I paid like $300 for Not even that worth.
I can polish them.
He doesn't have any suspension on the truck, bro.
Yeah.